for a while. I was a little afraid. I didn't know he might be hurting Randy. What are they doing? They're playing. Bruce is taking pictures. It's hard to believe that they're doing this. Come off his leg. It's like do some more wrestling. Watch. You know.
I think it's actually so much more coordinated than
Oh,
Randy.
of course. First of all, he's a cat. Second of all, he's not a pup. Randy, no, no, Randy. He's biting my chair. Randy, he's taking his frustrations out of my chair. Randy, Mommy.
What's today's date?
Today is April 18th. April 18th.
What,
1987. And Ashley is 6 months old, and Randy is about 10 weeks old. Before they would never take a break. I mean, Randy would run away. I mean, Ashley would run away. But now they just sit and look at each other for a few minutes. They take a breather. Look at that, look at that. Oh, no. Oh, he's going to clean himself. She got me all wet. He's awesome. He gets him on his back. Oh, he's biting his ear.
Who's biting whose ear?
Ashley's biting Randy's ear. He's not going to be a show dog anymore. He's going to go open up.
Randy, you don't stand a chance.
Oh, that was Randy that barked, that snarled. He must have heard him. Look at him. Randy, I think you better give it. Oh, he's got his collar. You know, he pulled his collar off the other day?
Really?
Yep. He grabbed hold of it and actually pulled away, and when he pulled away, look at that.
They're going at it?
Yeah, watch it. Look. Oh, he laid down. He laid down.
So they're buddies now, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, there he goes. Oh, they're going to fight over the toy. Ashley gets tired. What's the matter, Ashley?
He's
What's the matter, Randy?
Pounce on him.
Looking at each other. Oh, see, he's got one end and he's got the other end.
Oh, he'll ruin that toy.
No, I don't want him to do that. No, Randy, don't chew on that. Your teeth are too sharp for that. No.
It's amazing how much a little light and how bright that is.
I know.
They're a nice baby. They're actually such a pretty baby.
Who's making a noise?
Probably Ashley.
I like that shirt.
Woody's.
Really? Oh, I think something like that.
He wants the. I'm
I thought you were living in California.
Where did he go? Oh, look. No, I don't want you to play with this.
So, you think I can get chicks at this party tonight?
You got your girlfriend there.
Not a girlfriend anymore, Rick.
Excuse me. God's sake.
Who was crying then?
Ooh, he made a mass attack. See, Ashley's learning how to get back at him.
Are you kidding?
You know what? You know he is playing, because if not, they both wouldn't just lay there.
No,
Look
I
at
don't
this.
think it was. They just lay there and look at each other. Watch. Look at this. Look at this. He's got his paw on him. Look at him. Ooh, see?
What are you doing, David? Get the battery pick out of the far one over there. Oh, the cat's biting him now. He's learned.
He's biting him.
Oh, he's learned how to do it. Now he's
No,
the
in the
aggressor.
front, in the front. Unzip her.
Look at that. They're big buddies now.
I'm hooking it into the battery. One end to the battery pack, and one end goes in the recorder.
That's great.
That is great, isn't it? That is really great. I can't believe it. I've never seen it before. I've never seen two animals do that.
Well, you didn't see my sister's
That's
dog.
good to see. They're just friends now.
Oh, he knows when he wants it by his paw, he pulls it
Yeah,
away.
when he goes in the side there, see the other cords going in?
Yeah.
Look on the, I think it's on one end.
You know when Bruce took
Why you
Randy
letting
out
out?
before?
Yeah.
That's why Ashley
There
was
you go.
crying. Ashley
Yeah,
went
yeah.
to the window because he saw.
Look, Ashley bite his nose.
Oh, I know. I just hope he
All right, guys.
That was Ash. That was Randy that he.
I know. You hear Randy? Oh. No, don't take it out of my carpet. Don't take it out of my carpet, boy. Hey, don't ruin your ears. Those are good ears.
Mm.
Don't ruin those ears.
Those are $550
Those
ears.
are $550 ears. Don't put
Plus the kennel.
Oh, he's
Where'd you get
wet. Wait.
From Ashley? Washington Kennel Club?
Yeah.
From Ashley?
Hey, he's got away. He's
Yeah.
biting. Ashley, what are you doing to my doggies, Ashley? Ashley, what are you doing to my doggies? Oh, that was it.
Pick him up, man.
See if Ashley comes back for more.
Pick him up.
Where's he?
Stand over here so we won't get the glare of the...
Thank you, Boo. Oh, you stink now. You stink. You've been fighting. You've been fighting. How's your ears? Don't let your ears get hurt. They're precious ears.
Yeah.
Precious ears.